Thanks so much for joining me, Henry. Before we dive into the research, can you tell me a bit about your role at BT and what you're focused on right now?
So my role at BT is Director of Connectivity with responsibility for our fixed services within business. So that's everything from broadband through to private networking and very high bandwidth. I'm focused on the needs of our customers and how they're changing and how we enable their businesses to be ready for tomorrow. And that is why this research is so important to us.
The research shows that improving business connectivity could add £179 billion to the UK economy by 2030. That's a huge opportunity. How is BT helping businesses unlock that kind of growth?
So connectivity is the foundation of the UK's digital future. BT has built and continues to build the UK's most trusted digital infrastructure. So that includes full fibre, 5G, and our national backbone core network. And we've understood this for a long time, since the 1800s, that reliable, secure connectivity is the backbone of economic growth, innovation and inclusion. But BT is also going through a period of transformation. We've always put our customers first, connecting for good across communities and businesses. But now what's changing is we want to make sure that we're laying the foundations for future technologies like AI and quantum. We're continuing to work side by side with our customers as a partner, listening, adapting, and delivering the solutions that help them move forwards and achieve their objectives.
So the research highlights some striking stats about employee satisfaction, like how tech frustrations can influence whether people stay or leave. How can investing in better connectivity help businesses not only keep their top talent, but also boost productivity and empower teams to do their best work?
By delivering secure, high-performance networks, BT empowers teams to work efficiently and embrace new tools like AI. So the research tells us that 2/3 of employees believe that will improve their work-life balance. Where employees are working remotely, they rely on VPNs and secure gateways to access corporate systems. So strong connectivity is going to help them by ensuring security and speed, preventing breaches and maintaining compliance. In the workplace, there's lots going on with new tools like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce and SAP. These are essential for document sharing and for business systems, so that's communications between employees and their customers. These apps, well, they depend on always-on secure connectivity, so any downtime or lag could disrupt workflows, sales and decision-making, and impact that employee experience. In contact centres, we find that agents are using omnichannel platforms to manage calls, chats, and social media all at the same time. So any dropped calls or slow response times can damage the customer trust and the reputation of a brand.
Now we have to talk about AI. It's everywhere and full of promise. Your research shows that 66% of employees believe it could improve their work-life balance. From a network perspective, how does BT enable these AI-powered applications to become secure, reliable tools that businesses can use every day?
You're absolutely right. AI is very much front of mind for everyone right now. And it's true for both existing employees and providing new and enhanced customer services. We're seeing a real need to assess network readiness for AI workloads. AI applications demand high bandwidth, low latency and strong security. With adoption of new workloads growing, so networks must scale to handle increasing data volumes and integrate with cloud platforms. And then you also have to prioritize security and compliance. With sensitive data flowing through AI systems, you need robust network security, which is essential to protect trust and meet regulations. BT enables cloud integration and direct connectivity to compute resources so that businesses can process data how and where they want to, and that's critical for real-time applications.
The report suggests better connectivity could help create over 240,000 new jobs by 2030. What's BT's role in making sure the UK is ready to seize that opportunity?
Well, BT's nationwide reach ensures that rural communities and small businesses are not left behind. And while more advanced solutions like dedicated internet access and private connectivity support large enterprises. And as I said before, we're always in the process of evolving these networks to keep ahead of demand. And what this means for our customers is that we're enabling them to modernise their own infrastructure and applications. That's allowing businesses to position themselves, to attract talent, to embrace automation and scale sustainably, which is unlocking the growth and jobs for the UK economy. And what this means in reality is things like upgrading legacy networks. That could be that copper access and outdated platforms just can't support the demands of cloud, AI, and data-driven operations. Businesses need future-ready connectivity. And when you think about planning for scalability, growth means more devices, more data, and more complexity. And that means you need a network that will handle it without disruption and be ready to flex for future demand and new applications. Investment in resilience and security is key. As operations digitize, downtime and breaches become more costly. And lastly, thinking about enabling hybrid work and digital services. Well, for flexibility and customer experience, they depend on robust connectivity that's available wherever you or your customers are.